All right. Everybody here knows planet sign houses. Yes or no? I am ready to take any subject, extra number of hours. Eventually, you will realize this 6 month course actually is more than 1.5 year course. That kind of content we are going to cover. All right. I'm going to go through the content list again. Not now. I just want to gauge the students' level, how fast I should take and cover more, or how slow I should take. Please note down Thursdays evening 8:30 9 p.m. you will have your rote memorization sessions. Okay, this is something we do every time for beginners course, for Jyotish Pandit course, etc. Okay, it eventually becomes more than 140 hours of question answer session and rote memorization session. Rote memorization is an absolute must, otherwise you'll become an idiot of an astrologer like me who can't remember nakshatras list. Then it comes to the Navamsha positions list and many other lists. Okay, how to mentally calculate the Navamsha, how to mentally calculate the nakshatra position of any graha. So these all will follow. I'm just giving you an overview. Please reply anybody. Okay, please reply. Okay, everybody is sending me direct messages. Okay, unless it's very personal, don't send me direct message. Okay, send me, write it on the list when you're replying. Okay, okay, send it to everyone in the meeting. Okay, whatever your question is, you can put it over here. All right. And usually the chats I disable during a session so that I'm not disturbed. And after every topic or subtopic, all of you are given a chance to ask questions. All right. There'll be several teachers in this, mainly me and Vinayak are the main teachers. You will be having guest lecturers in between, okay, who will come and speak on a subject that is in your curriculum. Okay. Quickly, before we start, how are we going to start? We're going to start with three people's introduction. Okay, yes, Swikriti ji, you have a question, it seems. You raised your hand. You have to raise
No,
your
no,
hand.
no, I didn't raise.
Okay. Can you, Nitesh, can you get lower the hand, please? I do not know how to do that. All right. Now, any questions from anybody before we start with the introduction of at least three people and then move on to today's curriculum and all that?
Sir, I have a question.
Who's speaking, please?
This is Arup Ghosh.
Yes, Mr. Ghosh, I can't see you.
I'm there.
Now I can see you. Great.
Sir, you said I'll have to observe Monvrat on Fridays. Is this because my second house is Taurus and the ruler of the house is Venus?
Yes, that's what I said. The second law. You're
Okay,
100%.
okay, okay.
Okay. I am saying leave that. First, remember there are two planets. Please write this rule down. Okay. Does everybody know aspects in astrology? Anybody who does not know?
Yeah, I do.
Hi,
I
this
don't
is
know.
Rekha here.
Yes, because
I really don't know. I'm a total beginner, so you'll have to help with that.
unmute unless you're speaking. Rekha ji, do you know planets, signs, and houses? All the names of all the planets.
Yes, that I do. Yes.
Do you know broadly the significations of each planet?
Not really.
Okay, so we have an absolute beginner, which is very good at more systematic. Okay, my request to everybody is, if you're asking a very advanced question, refrain yourself from asking why. Absolute beginners will get confused. Absolute beginners will. I will have to see to it that I don't speak. It becomes a difficult job for me. There are people who are, like, for example, uh, Mitanjali is there. Mitanjali, how many years in astrology? Where is Mitanjali going? Oh, she's going. Kritanjali, sorry. Kritanjali Malthaya. I've
Uh,
seen you.
uh, yeah, I thought it was me, but I was not sure. So just last year I joined in September the Ultra Beginners BNN. That's it. No prior exposure.
But you look very advanced to me. Every time I interact with you, you look more advanced than me only.
No, sir. You're pulling my leg. That's why I wanted to.
Not pulling your leg. I'm not.
Uh, sir, so I have not done anything systematically. So that's why I want to do things.
That is why I insist on a curriculum always. I will refrain from getting too advanced, but at the same time, in order to keep the interest of a bit advanced student, okay, I will keep on giving tips. Write down those tips now. When you all revisit it 4 years later, 20 years later, you will get it. I will give you certain tips. For example, maybe in today's lecture only, I'll give you a tip. Okay, remind me. Just write it down. But it's a tip that the best of astrologers don't know, which is how do you decide whether God wants me to look at this horoscope or not? Why do I keep on repeating this every time? Why do an astrologer who says he believes in karma, why does he? Because he's beyond a doctor. People go to a doctor when they have a specific problem. People go to astrologer with specific problem or for entertainment or for curiosity. Let's not forget these last two. When people are debating, they say the karma of a doctor and the karma of a jyotish is the same. Or the dharma of a jyotish and dharma of a doctor is the same. Wrong. People have not watched Agnipath. It is not Vijay Chauhan. It is Vijay Dinanath Chauhan. Purana. Full name. Many people go to an astrologer just for sake of entertainment. A very famous astrologer, lady astrologer, vice president of a company, in 2015, she debated with me of a very popular IT company. She has learned from the best in Delhi. She said the dharma of an astrologer is to see everybody's chart. I said, please come to South India and say this. Especially they are masters in astrology in Prashna. They'll tell you, you all do not know the basics of astrology. Does God want me to look at this person's chart? Or does God does not want me to look at this person's chart? What is God saying at that moment? Are you understanding? You are in the business of decoding God's language. Simple. There has to be a difference between you and a doctor. Otherwise, you would have been a doctor who has a dharma of helping a terrorist also. Are you getting it? The terrorist will say, thank you so much. You did my operation. Thank you so much. I'll see you after a few months. Right now, I have to go and bomb few people. The terrorist follows his dharma. You have to not follow your mind. You have to follow what God is saying right now. Has God allowed me to look at this chart? Yes or no? God might allow you to look at a terrorist chart. You might have to convey something to the terrorist that will change his dharma. So please write down the duty of an astrologer is to help in unfolding the pending karma of a person so that he moves to the next level of spiritual growth. That is not the dharma of a doctor. That is not his job. That is not what is ordained for. Am I making sense? Yes or no? I don't see people smiling or this thing. I know I'm not a very handsome man. Okay. But at least, am I making sense? Yes or no? Come on, please. Thoda mujhe entertain.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's a
Yes, sir.
huge difference. Let me
Yes,
tell you,
sir.
I have met so intelligent people, very successful in life, CEOs, presidents, etc. and all that. And they say, no, it is the same doctor and we are one and the same. I said, come on, yaar. Who's your guru in astrology? Have you not read Prashna Marga from Kerala? These things are all there. So write this thing down. Whenever somebody comes to you, cast a prashna. If you do not know how to cast a prashna, I will teach you. But write this thing down. Why? Because nobody teaches you this. If in the 9th house there are too many malefics, you tell the person, Tata, cheerio, bye-bye, come after 1 month. Recite Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram, Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram. Or whatever is the Ishta Devta of the person. If he's a Shaivite, ask him to recite Rudra Gayatri and come back daily after, he has to recite daily 108 times and come back after 1 month. It's actually 40 days. If he is a Vaishnavite or a Sri Ram Bhakt, tell him Sri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram. And then what time he comes to you, again cast a prashna. Again see 9th house, benefic influence or malefic influence. Why 9th house? Anybody?
भाग्य स्थान भी है.
And 9th house is of dharma and purva punya.
Purva Punya is 5th.
Dharmasthana.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Dharmasthanam.
पूर्व पुण्य फिफ्थ.
Yeah, 9th is dharma.
Dharmasthanam.
9th house is for the guru. If he has guru's blessings, Jupiter
1 second.
signifies 9th house.
Everybody, not together, please. एक साथ सब लोग काउंटर पे आके पाव भाजी पूछोगे तो मैं कैसे सर्व करूंगा? मेरा धर्म है आपको सर्व करना. 9th house is dharma, but before that, 9th house is God's. 9th house is God. What is God telling me right now? What is God telling me right now? Rahu in the 9th house, write this down, tell the person come back. Ketu in the 9th house, tell the person come back. Mars Rahu in the 9th house, tell the person come back. This way many combinations, Shani Ketu, Chandra Shani, come back, come back, come back. Of course, by the end of the day, you will get only one client in 1 month. But these are the rules. Are you helping somebody make a nuclear bomb? Are you helping somebody to again go back to the land of Maya? Okay, you're a businessman, come. I will give you good upayas by which you can make more money, steal more income tax, not give more income tax, make your servant suffer like anything, cheat on your wife, continue cheating on your wife. Or are you an astrologer whose karma is, no, God doesn't want me to see your chart, go back, I can't make you make another bomb. Why is it said that the life of an astrologer is ruined? If you are lucky, if you have a good horoscope, you can absorb sins of your clients. Energy does not vanish. There is a difference between two people. One person comes to you, okay, Osama bin Laden. Another person comes to you, very nice, simple man, penniless, does not have much money, but a simple, nice, great human being. God is observing from above. Why, Sunil John? For you both are equal, they are giving you your fees. You are using my science, my language of decoding the Shastra of what is there in your karma. And the third person comes to you, a film star, on Narendra Modi, the Prime Minister. So God observes. To whom are you giving your choices of predictions? Do you care whether a person is torturing other people, but still your predictions go to him? Why? He offers you money. He throws money like this to you, like it happens in Bombay in the bars. So God observes, universe observes. Universe sees how you are treating these poor people. Prime Minister comes, all kind of selfies you will take and put it on your banner and put it on your DP. Cyrus Mistry consulted me. Rakesh Junjunwala consulted me, personally gave me his horoscope. We all do that. You can make everybody a fool by wearing all kinds of malas. You can't make him a fool. Please understand, even the Saptarishis went wrong in their predictions. If you do not know it, please read Saptarishi Nadi. It's available. Parts of it is available in English.